In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your smart TV with easy and effective methods. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart your TV and Bluetooth device. Turn off your smart TV and the Bluetooth device, headphones, speaker, etc. Wait for about 30 seconds, then turn them both back on. Try pairing again. Method 2. Check Bluetooth compatibility. Make sure your Bluetooth device is compatible with your smart TV. Some older devices may not work with newer TVs or vice versa. Method 3. Delete old Bluetooth pairings. On your smart TV, go to Settings, Bluetooth or Connected Devices. Remove or forget any old or unused Bluetooth devices. Restart your TV and try pairing your device again. Method 4. Keep devices close. Make sure your Bluetooth device is within close range, around 10 meters, and there are no obstacles blocking the signal. Method 5. Update your TV software. Go to Settings, Support Software Update on your TV. Check for updates and install if available. Updated software can fix many Bluetooth bugs. Method 6. Reset TV network settings. Go to Settings, General Reset, Network Reset. Names may vary. This will reset your TV's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. After reset, try pairing again. If none of these methods work, your TV's Bluetooth hardware might be faulty, or your device may need servicing. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more tech fixes and smart TV tips.